There has been no notice of seeing how long the assembly is going to be or so. And there has been no business advisory committee meeting, so that we can sit together and discuss. So this is something, use of democracy for one's own selfish interest is not a good thing. We are not very happy about it. We cannot misuse the democratic rights given to us. Yes, most of the members are away, because we need a notice. If there is anything urgent, say like a war or something like that, call the assembly immediately by telegram. Inform the members, wherever they are, to come immediately. This is just a constitutional requirement you are doing. You could have done it, given us 25 days to give questions and things like that. We would have had a full-fledged assembly session, if at all. But perhaps they don't want to face this.
विरोधक विधानसभेत हायवे बार बंदी आणि म्हादय केशीचो आदवोगाद ASचे आत्माराम नाडकर्णीचो विशय काडटले.
So the one issue which comes with a deadline is the alcohol.
But that's a Supreme Court decision. The present government should have sent representation. Not only that, there is the Mhadei issue also.
Yeah, I will raise the bar license issue definitely.
But if you're not allowed to, then how will you do that?
See, there is any other business of the house, soon of the assembly address. If they don't allow us, I'll go inside this well. Yeah.
वाळपय शिवायच्या पुतळ्याचो वाद आणि विश्वजीत कृष्णराव राणेचेर मात राणेन मिडियान विचारूनय उतर काडले ना.
I don't want to comment on these issues when we need to do so many things, whether a statue or whatever is standing against me. I don't want to say anything, because let it not be a political issue.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आणि विजय चेतन गांवस.